A savvy way to earn extra income. Did you know that you could be earning money online as an affiliate for a top-rated product and not have to put out any cash at all? In fact, it could be as simple as adding the product "Hello and thanks for checking out my video." In today's video I am going to be talking about a savvy way to earn extra income. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. URL to your squeeze page or ad. This is how this particular savvy way to earn extra income works. And works big time. There are many ways to earn extra income on the internet. However, the fact remains that most people do not take the effort to learn about and exploit new opportunities available. It would be a shame because you could literally be making a boatload of money online faster than you can say, peso. The savvy way to earn extra income. It's no secret that there are thousands of companies that are now selling affiliate products online. Some are huge names like eBay, Amazon, Best Buy, and Target. Most of these large companies spend millions of dollars every month marketing their affiliated product. They are one of the first places you will see the term affiliate used. You will see ads for hot products being sold by affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketing is when an affiliate marketer, also known as an affiliate marketer, posts banners, articles, or text links on his or her website in hopes of enticing someone into clicking on those links and then purchasing the product. Once that person purchases the product, the affiliate gets a commission. Sounds great, right? But how does an individual go about earning commissions for promoting other people's products? With this savvy way to earn extra income, all you need is a website with good content. Your website should have a link to the affiliate product sales page. When you do that, you are now considered a publisher. All of the work and the hard work are now done for you. You would be submitting articles, posting in forums, etc., just like any other magazine or newspaper, and earning commissions when people purchase through your website. To get started, there are only a few simple steps that you must follow to be successful. First, you need a product. It can be any type of product that you would be willing to sell. You can choose from virtually any niche out there. Just make sure that the product you choose has an established market for it. Once you have chosen your product and website, the next step to take in your savvy way to earn extra income is to write informative articles that are related to the product. This will attract readers to your website. Once they arrive, the reader will most likely click on your affiliate link to earn the additional commissions. Then, you will receive a commission for every sale. You can also find websites that will host your articles for free. The key is to write unique, informative, and compelling articles. Once you have your blog and website up and running, start submitting articles and earning your savvy way to earn extra income. If you already own a website, it would be wise to hire an SEO expert to optimize your site for search engines. This will increase the traffic to your site. You should also consider hiring an internet marketer to get your website noticed by other businesses. By doing this, you will be able to generate more online income for yourself. Another way to earn extra income is by joining affiliate programs. By choosing the correct affiliate program, you will be able to sell products for the leading companies out there. If you are already an affiliate, then it will be even easier to maximize your earnings by becoming an affiliate marketing mentor. As an internet marketer, you will be given access to powerful resources such as video training, website building, and e-zine advertising. With the help of these tools, you will be able to build a high-quality website with a great design. All you need to do is to drive traffic to your site. Another great way to earn extra income is by joining online forums. By becoming an active member of forum communities, you will be able to make great friends in the online world. If you are looking for a way to earn extra income, you should not be afraid to take things into your own hands. There is always a better way to do something than to do nothing at all. Start working on that home business you have been putting off, or work on your latest internet marketing novel. Thanks for watching my video about a savvy way to earn extra income. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.